Hello and welcome. My name is Adam Cooke and the creator of Axis Studios LTD. I'm here to help you program your games. To start with, we will be using software like Gamemaker. This is because it's easier than other software like Unity and UDK, Java, etc. So what will we do first? Well, we're going to start to download Gamemaker Studio. There's a free version, there is no charge, but you can pay to get extra, but I don't. I use a free version, so everything here that you'll see in the code will be free and you will not need to upgrade. For Unity, UDK, they're both free as well. Unity can be used to make 2D games and 3D games. UDK, which is called Unreal Development Kit, also part of the Unreal Engine. UDK is used to make 3D games. You can make 2D games, however, it's extremely difficult and, well, they're a bit shabby, so it's not that great. And then we've got Java, then there's little things like GreenFoot programming, which you can see just there. Not there, that's some dodgy printer. There. As you can see, I play games with scrolls and big fan of Arrow and Flash. But there's Unity symbol if you're looking for it. This is Gamemaker Studio here. iTunes, but Steam, we might be able to put your games on Steam if you're good enough. Flash develop using Flash and Java, ActionScript 3, League of Legends, Construct 2 again is different game making software. I'm self-taught myself, so everything you see might not be to the best code layout, but it gets the job done, and we're not going to start on really simple basic projects like movement because, well, that's starting off too easy, and we're going to throw everybody in that's watching this video at the deep end. So we'll be creating a tower defense game at the minute, and we'll do, I'm not sure how many videos it's going to take, but there'll be one uploaded every so often. I'm a university student, so I'll try and upload as much as possible, and I think I'll be able to. I study computer games development, so the development of creating games, which is quite good as I'm doing these videos. It's always good to make sure you know what you're doing, what game you want to create. But when I first started, I was kind of winging it a bit. I was just creating random different things, testing things out, especially with Gamemaker because it's a more simple code rather than that of Unity uses or UDK, which has its own programming language. But Gamemaker does GML Gamemaker language, and we'll start by going to download it. So open up your browser, not that you need help to do that, but right. So Gamemaker Studio, we're going to download. If my computer decides to work, and now it's taking ages. The one time I start a video. Gamemaker Studio download. There we are, and then you go into this, and well, I'm not going to download it because I've got it. So you just go download Gamemaker Studio, and it starts to download, but I'm going to cancel that. And then you just run through it and press run. It's pretty simple, it's just like you download anything else. So we're going to start to learn how to create a tower defense game, which can be quite difficult. So let's start. We'll close Gamemaker. The sprites that I'll be using are not my own at this moment in time. They're all on the Gamemaker website. It's called resources. I'll just show you where and how to find that. And these you can download sprites, sounds, backgrounds, anything you really want. So let's go. Alright, Gamemaker resources I normally type in, and the internet here at uni isn't great, so but I don't think we'll really need it at all once we started. Gamemaker resources. Don't need a hashtag in there. Not coding yet. And then it just works here. So you have utilities, sprites, backgrounds, tile sets, sound, music, scripts, extensions, other extension maker banners. So then you can research here. So like if you wanted RPG sprites or RPG things, so you type in RPG, and then it's got FPS RPG Maker Super Pack, which I will be using for this. So by Kisson, if that's how you say it. So copyright to him. It's a very large pack and some really good sprites in there for a pixelated 2D game, and that's how our tower defense game will be at the beginning. So there's not too much more to talk about for this video. We'll start next video. I just wanted to introduce myself again. I'm Adam, and if you think this sounds a good idea, then keep in touch and subscribe, please. Thank you. Goodbye.